Yo, I don't know what my hair looks like right now. We're about to do a little bit of photos to my car under this bridge here. I don't know if I'm supposed to park here. We got grass down there, so it's gonna be kind of tricky in the wheelchair. Just got done with the car trail. We got a bunch of crazy cars flying through here. Jump out, get the chair out. I'm gonna do some photos here real quick, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's probably gonna be a little tricky. All right, here we go. Wow, it worked. So we get the camera out, 5D Mark III. Got a 50mm f1.4 rocking on. Now this lens is awesome, but it is very difficult to use. You got the polarizer filter on there, a cage on the camera body, because one time I dropped it. See, it's all mashed up right there. Yeah, that wasn't cool. So let's just make sure that it's good to go. Okay. Yep. All right. Power off. So leave the phone there with it. We'll just grab everything when we jump out here. Okay. Woo! Got my key in my pocket here, I think. Yeah. Cool. Tuck that. Whee! Shut the door. Yep. Okay. Yeah. It's gonna be hard to get around for the sake of art, you know? Art. Not everybody does it. Here we go. So I pull this out. Yep. Lay it down. There we go. Now I started doing this thing where I lower the lift gate manually and just kind of lower myself down to my chair. So we're gonna pull that. Yep. Oh, where's my chair head? Okay. See, now all the buttons are right there. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay. It's gonna be a workout. Yep. Did I parked in a hole? Do not ding my door. Whee! Okay. Now I'm gonna get my phone here. Cool. Just make sure that I don't die. And then we're gonna get the camera. Whee! Let's go, baby. Yo, it's real noisy. Okay. And I'm risky, so we're just gonna leave the lens cap. Okay. Well, you do. Come on. Woo. Yep. Leave. Yep. Nice. Alright. Woo! So the casters are digging into the dirt, kind of, because it's a little soft. So lean back and lift them up and just, yeah, there we go. It's a little easier. Nice shadow. Okay, okay. Little farther and little farther. That is really cool. That is really cool. Wow. Nice. And that's exciting. Got some spit on the lens here. Should have brought the microfiber. Well, it's all the way over there now. So let's take a look here. Power the camera on. This lens is all manual, so it's a total pain in the ass. Here we go. So we're gonna zoom in. Almost. There it is. Oh, this camera's also extremely heavy. What did that look like? It's really hot. Give me a sec. All right, so we're gonna run at 2.8. Put the camera up to the face, cut the reflections right there. That guy is going that way. He was right there. That's fun. Nice. Okay. Let's change the ISO. We're gonna need about 400. Yeah, because that's gonna be, yep, that's hot. Nice. So let's see. It's a little dark. Wow. Nice. Sounded crazy, dude. Whoa. Let's try to get this. Stop distracting me, automobiles and motorcycles. They're everywhere. But this is annoying. I'm getting an autofocus lens next. Are those sharp? Come on. I don't even know what's happening. Alright. Well, they look sharp. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna spin the polarizer a little bit. About 90 degrees. And then, whee! Nice. Yeah, that's sweet. Let's go down to this little ditch here, see what the side of the car is looking like. Okay. Hopefully it's not wet down there. Oh boy. Here we go. I don't like that light there. Holy cow, that was a lot of work. Hopefully this looks cool. Nice. Audi. Drop down. Cool. You look cool from the shadows. Let's do some detail shots. Let me get a little closer. One more. Very good. Very good. I'm thinking this is not the best spot. All right. Go over to the back and we'll get a shot aiming forward. Oh, Nick called capture. Oh, shadows hitting the car. Oh no. Oh, that's sick. My car looks dusty. So. Whee! Okay. So we're gonna go through the dirt right here. Whee! Okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah, oh, there we go. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to detail everything after this. Oh, come on. Rocks. Rocks. More rocks. Oh, yeah. Wow, I'm not gonna lie. It's a good looking car. Wow. Nice. I like that. Let's see. Getting cold in this shade. Okay. This dirt's pretty hard, actually. Nice. Alright. There. There it is. That's a good one. Yeah, nice. So we're gonna go a little higher. One of those probably worked. Nah, not really. I hate to say this, but the best shot's probably from that corner. All right, here we go. All for the sake of art. Rock garden. Oh no, Corvette. Nice. At least we got good sounds over here, you know? Okay. Should've just parked on that. Is there a sidewalk? Come on, baby. A snorkel on that Jeep. That's bizarre. This is literally what I was talking about. So we're gonna frame it up real nice. Oh, nice. We're out of the wind too over here. Good stuff. Nope, not a cool shot. Alright, let's try the other side. Back in the wind, but oh, I wonder how many people are driving by going, what the heck's wrong with that kid in the wheelchair? Got a camera on his face and a camera in his lap. Oh, that feels good. Nice. Sure. Okay. Corvette gang. That is the last one. Oh, there's trash right there. Okay. Man, now that's pretty sweet, truthfully. That was a Maserati. Capture, 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 capture. Not everybody in a wheelchair is willing to do this. I get that. My hands are filthy, always. But you know what? This is it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh, not quite. Maybe there. Woo! Grazed it a little bit. Now time for a tasty treat. Okay. Woo! Some clovers. I don't see any quadrifolios, so I really like looking at this thing. GoPro, stop recording. Let's do the rest of it. Let's get in the car. I hear motors. That's trash. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're gonna pull out the bumper guard. Back it up just a little bit. Lock one side. Hold both. Transfer weight to the feet. Put the feet kind of in a spot. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna reach over, grab the cubby, hold ourselves, pull up. Yep. Okay, now left hand, get an anchor point. I'm gonna grab this little piston, shuffle over, do a little Cupid shuffle, electric slide. Gonna pull the entire chair. See right there, I just bumped it into the car. That's why I've got that blanket. All right, so we're gonna lift up and pull. Oh, lift up with the knee too. You see that? A little action there. It it kind of works. I don't know, a little bit. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna switch over. Yep. Take a right foot. Oh, catch yourself. Okay, so we're gonna transfer to the right hand. So we're here. We're gonna pull the door open. Yeah, reach in the car because we want to minimize the amount of like fingerprints and whatever that we get onto the paint. Oh, okay. It's an old Skyline, huh? Nice. All right. Okay. Cool. GoPro, stop recording. There's clouds out here now. And time to go home. If you're in a wheelchair, hit me up. If you have an Alfa Romeo, hit me up. If you have both, let's get married. Huh? Got me doing loops. I don't think I understand what's happening here. Okay. I suppose we'll go this way. Yep. Okay.